Hello, it's Romonica Caldwell, Houston real estate broker. And today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting a home inspection. A home inspection is for your protection as the buyer. So it's very important that you understand the reason that you're getting a home inspection. It is to protect you, to make sure that you are buying a property that you have thoroughly evaluated or had a professional come in and evaluate and make sure that you're comfortable with the property. So if you are buying a property in Texas, you should be getting this form. It's called For Your Protection, Get a Home Inspection. It is provided by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. Usually what your real estate professional will do is explain this form to you or have you initial this form. So it talks about why a buyer needs a home inspection. It tells you a home inspection gives the buyer more detailed information about the overall condition of the home prior to purchase. In a home inspection, a qualified inspector takes an in-depth, unbiased look at your potential new home. So you're going to be hiring a third-party inspector. They've never seen the house before. It's not someone that the seller personally knows. That person is going to go into your home, look at the structure, look at the roof, look at the plumbing, look at the AC, and make sure all of those things are in working order and let you know any nuances that they find or any conditions that may be deteriorating so that you can either have those issues addressed with the seller or decide if you want to proceed with the home or not. Just because a home inspector finds something on the house that may be deficient does not mean that the seller has to fix any deficient items. I think that's the number one thing that people mistake. A home inspection is only for your protection. It does not require the seller to do anything. So they evaluate the physical condition, the structure, construction, mechanical systems, anything that needs to be repaired or replaced, anything that's deficient. That's what the home inspector is looking for. You must ask for a home inspection. A home inspection is not going to be something that is required by anyone. The lender doesn't require a home inspection. You need to ask for a home inspection, and you do not have to get a home inspection if you choose not to have one. We always advise that you do get one. It's highly recommended, but it is not required. Appraisals are different from home inspections. An appraiser is coming in to evaluate the value, what the estimated value of the property is for the lender. An appraiser is required to ensure the property is marketable. Home inspections evaluate the condition of the home. So they're not looking at value in terms of price and selling points. They are looking at the condition of the home. FHA does not guarantee the value or condition of your potential new home. So if you find problems with your home on closing or after, FHA cannot give or lend you money for repairs, and FHA cannot buy the home back from you. So you want to make sure that you get the home thoroughly evaluated before you purchase the home, because it's going to be your home. There isn't going to be any returns or refunds, no exchange policies when you buy a house. And then also you can get radon gas testing. There are different types of inspections that you can get as well. So you can have a physical property inspection. You also can have an environmental inspection with tests for different gases and chemicals as well. And again, you are getting a home inspection so that you can be an informed buyer. It's your responsibility to make sure that you check anything out that you buy. You want to make sure that you do your due diligence and you evaluate and you do your analysis so that you don't get stuck in a home that is not in a condition that you desire. So that's information about why you are getting a home inspection. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or if you need a list of qualified home inspectors in the Houston, Texas area, definitely feel free to reach out to me and let me know. Thanks. Bye.